Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to see how we can install Ubuntu in our Windows machine. For that, guys, click on this virtualbox.org downloads. You can download for Windows. Click on the Windows hosts here. Now it will download the VirtualBox, which is 106 MB. So let us see for Ubuntu 18.04. We can download this extended security is also there. For in the future, we can install a lot of things here. But let me install this 18.0.4.6 and try to install the desktop. Okay, click on this. It will download the version which is 2.3 GB. Let it download. Okay, now let us install this one. Let us open this file. So now it is asking me preparing to install. So let me click on next. So yeah, let me click on next. Warning network interfaces. Yes, we want to proceed with the installation. So I want to click on installation, click on install. So please wait for the setup to install. This may take several minutes. That's all right. Let the install. So now this has now finished. Okay, let me click on finish. Now it will launch the virtual box. The virtual box has been installed. It has opened Oracle VM Virtual Box Manager. So Ubuntu is parallelly downloading here. Now this Ubuntu image got downloaded. Now let me open the virtual box. We have to do few things here. Let me expand this so it is properly visible. So let me click on new. So as soon as you click on new, we'll get the virtual machine name and operating system. We can give virtual machine as Ubuntu and the type should be Linux. ISO image we can select here. So I have selected the ISO image which is there in my downloads page. So now let us click on next. So let me click on next. So here we have to understand how much base memory and how many processors are we giving. Okay. So this is the configuration you have to understand. So we need some kind of memory here. So let us keep the memory size as somewhere around, yeah, this is 4 GB will be all right. And then processors I can do maybe two CPUs. I can at least have two CPUs. Okay, let me click on next. So disk size, I can give 25. That okay, maybe so I can give 76 GB. That will be all right. So let me click on next. So this is the image. Let me click on finish. So now here the Ubuntu should be present, but it should be turned over off. Okay. Now here let us see the settings of it. Okay. Let me go to settings. Now let me click on advanced. Okay. So here let me go to advanced. Here it should be bi-directional for the shared one. It should be bi-directional and this also should be bi-directional. Okay. Now next. Let me go to system processor. I can give three processors if that's all right. And execution cap, I can give it at 100%. Okay. Then I can go for display. For acceleration, I can go. So this is fine. Then I can go for display. This is also fine. Okay. Then I'll click on OK. Now I'll do what? I'll start the Ubuntu. So here virtual machine is starting. This is the Ubuntu which we are trying to run. Okay. So it is now trying to install, verifying the installation configuration. So I'm just signing in with the VBox user. It's a guest user we can have. So yeah, we have installed Ubuntu guys. That's it for the video. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.